Okay, so basically this is the Makita Japanese Import, and there's always discussion about how much play you have in the bit. So you slot it in and you have that much play, which is more than a UK Makita. Pull that out. This one is one that comes with the screws that I've got. Pop that in. Got that much play. But when you screw, you're under compression. So when you're under compression, you've got no movement. So a bit of a demonstration. I'll pull it out. Pop me 200mm screw in. And reverse. So there's the play again, but it doesn't affect your life. I've had a Japanese import before, and it's never been an issue. So it is something about nothing really. Tool's fantastic. That was speed setting 4. Okay, thanks for watching.